Hey, what's up? Tech Bro Charlie here, and welcome back to where we take awesome out of the box. Now today we're talking about the new OPPO Reno6 Z 5G. The OPPO Reno 5 is a great phone, and I'm sure a lot of you guys have been saving up for it. But I think you should wait a little bit longer kasi meron na tayong Reno6 series. And now, I'm gonna be unboxing the Reno6 Z 5G, which is a stripped down version of the original Reno 6, but keeps the cameras and the 5G connectivity. Let's go. First off, we have the usual recognizable OPPO Reno box in blue and black. I really like their packaging because both the colors and fonts look very modern. And on the back of the blue sleeve, of course, we have more details about the phone. And inside that, aside from the phone, we have the documentation which you should never throw away, jelly case, charging brick, USB-C cable, and a pair of earphones. Less and less I've been seeing earphones included in this price range, so I'm glad they included this. Now looking at the phone, I am so happy with the backplate on this. Ours came in stellar black, and you have a bluish hue when light hits it from a certain angle. Not only does it look gorgeous and feel good to hold, but it does great against fingerprints. Fingerprints on a glossy surface are one of my biggest pet peeves, and for this I'm really happy even if it's made of plastic. And unlike the Reno 6, we have rounded edges instead of a boxier body. And I think that's good too because it won't dig into your palms when you hold it. It does come with a jelly case too, but I think covering up the nice design is a waste. Next up, on the right we have the power button, and on the left we have the dual SIM card tray and the volume rocker. Below we have the USB-C port, headphone jack, and the single firing speaker. So yes, no stereo speakers here, but I think it sounded pretty good, though not as loud as I hoped. Here's a sample. And since we're now looking at the screen, let's talk about that. On the front, we have a 6.4-inch AMOLED display, and together with the full HD Plus resolution, I enjoyed videos on this a lot, thanks to the vibrant colors and inky blacks. Just one of the many pros of AMOLED, aside from the in-display fingerprint scanner. Sayang lang na walang stereo speakers, but hey, it comes with earphones. And though it doesn't have any special glass protection, it does at least have a pre-installed screen protector. Now for the cameras, we have a 64-megapixel main camera, 8-megapixel wide, and 2-megapixel macro, while on the front we have a 32-megapixel selfie camera. And I gotta say, I was really happy with the photos I took with these. The colors look really good and the photos look so alive. Aside from the portrait style mode that helps with the background blur, we also have bokeh flare portrait. This enhances the blur with bokeh balls, which all you Instagram junkies love so much. And yeah, please do follow us at Unbox PH, and if you want to follow me, that's Cholo_Tolentino. I went to Marikina to test everything out, and again, great cameras. And the media package we got came with this box, and it says flaunt your true emotions in portrait, and after testing it out, it all makes sense. When it comes to vlogging, you're sure to enjoy because of features like dual view video. And I think that travel and food vloggers will eat this up. Inside, we have Color OS 11.3, running thanks to a MediaTek Dimensity 800U 5G. And it's paired with 8GB RAM and 128GB of storage, a great setup for regular users. And if you want more memory, there's a card slot too. And based on my experience, a chip like this should have no problem playing the latest games. But of course, you guys will have to wait for the full review to see the numbers behind the performance. Though for first impressions, I didn't experience any slowdowns or freezes. Plus, you can enjoy that sweet 5G speed. And in case you don't have it in your area yet, you'll be glad you got a future-proof phone for when it finally hits your city. And last, powering the phone is a 4310 mAh battery that's charged with 30-watt VOOC Flash Charge 4.0. A pretty promising setup, but again, you'll need to wait for the full review to see the numbers. So there you have it, our very first look at the OPPO Reno6 Z 5G. I really enjoyed my time with this phone, and although it may be stripped down compared to the main Reno 6, it keeps the features that matter the most, like stellar cameras and 5G connectivity. And we don't have the price for it just yet, but tune into the OPPO Philippines Facebook page and unbox.ph for the latest news. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, because when we hit 250,000 subs, we're giving away a smartphone. So don't forget to use the hashtag #SubToUnbox. Hit the notification icon if you want to get them updates when we drop videos. Once again, it's your tech bro Cholo, and I'll see you guys in the next one.